My brake light is not turning up. I have a problem for that brake light there, the little parts. So I show you that later. So access the engine now. I have problem for my switch brake bumper. So that's why I remove the battery, or else if you not remove that one, it's not gonna drain your battery. As you can see, this is my brake light. Last night it's turned on. There's no way to shut it off, so that's why I remove the battery. I show you what's when you put this battery in. So the battery is on. Look at my brake light on. So remove this one and go to the auto supply and buy that brake switch bumper. So I'm in AutoZone now. Hopefully I get that parts. Let's go in. So I already have the parts. They give me two. So maybe the black one is the one work, and maybe the white too. The piece of the part is in the ground like here. So you can see that's the problem. So you need to squeeze your body and crawl to the pedal of the brake. So it's there. So that's the parts that we need to replace. So I saw the broken parts in my mats of my CRB. So this bumper brakes pedal switch is applied most of the Honda cars. Hopefully the cameras see it clear. So just push the brakes, use your hand, and this is hole, and this is the switch. You can just put the parts on that hole, and that be it. So I put some light on so that you can still see it, and then push the pedal out, put this one there, and that's it. So let's see if there's no light no more. So only me, to make sure it stays there, I dab a little bit glue. I use the crazy glue and squeeze right here so that it stick there. And that be it. Now let's back to engine bay of the CRB and put the positive negative terminal there. Put this one. Make sure tie it after that. Don't leave loose. So if you have little socket right here, number 10 mm, and when you feel snug, stop it. And repeat the process in a positive. To give you a better vision or look, I just shut it down my garage so that if light is work and it's not stuck no more. So let's press the brakes. There. Now everything is work. This one is work, the one in the right side too, and the brake light there in the middle of the windshield. Alright? Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. That's easy fix. So you can fix it by yourself too. Just buy the parts. The parts in AutoZone is almost $11. That's included everything. You can just make a quick run to any auto parts, and they have the They have the parts. Just to make sure, bring your bin number with you too, so that they're easy to pull out to their computer. Thank you very much, and have a great day, and see you next time. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.